Good morning, boss. Please, I have 30K. Please, which platform can I invest it? So I've been getting these questions a lot from different people. People have been asking me, I have 5K. How can I invest my 5K? This one say, now 3K I get. Where I go fit invest my 3K, man, they collect profit every single day for Nigeria. Guys, I'm still going to tell you guys one and the same thing. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. That is the truth. I am not a financial advisor. So I actually share methods that actually works for me. That is what I share. So that's what I keep telling them. This is investment, and investment requires risk. If you're ready to take the risk, well, you can go ahead and invest into the platform. You need to also know that I'm not a financial advisor. I am just teaching you guys what I've used. So I'm using this platform just like any one of you. All the information I share on this my YouTube channel is just for educational purposes, guys. My results are from hard work. Some of the links I'm going to drop in the description, they are affiliate links. So these affiliate links allow me to continue to post free content on my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video after like 1 month, 2 months and above, so you are free to ask if this platform is still paying before you go ahead and make any financial decision. But anyways, in this particular video today, I'm actually going to show you one method that I use in investing my money. One of the methods I use in investing my money. And also for you that actually have 3K every month to spare, and after all your expenses, you only have 3,000 naira to spare. I want to show you how you can actually start investing that amount of money. This is actually something that works for me personally. Well, so let's get right in. But do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You can still do well to actually contact a financial advisor. This is just a method that actually works out for me. For you to start up a good investment now that will give you a huge profit, is going to cost you a lot of money. That's why, first of all, I always advise you guys first, please learn an online skill. It is very, very important. You don't know how important it is for you to own an online skill that fetch you good money. That is one of the most important things you can ever do for yourself. Learn an online skill. That is number one. And that your online skill can fetch you money for the rest of your life. I don't have the time to learn the online skill because I already have a job. Well, that's fine. There are different ways you can actually start to invest 3K. There are a lot of apps that actually made this actually possible. Number one, you buy stocks. That's number one, you buy stocks. You have to go to apps like Trove and you actually sign up an account. I've made a video on how you can actually sign up on Trove app, and this is not a detailed video. I'm just showing you what I do personally. What you do is that you come down to Trove after you sign up your account. Just come down to where they say stocks. You can see where they say Nigerian stocks. Buy stocks right here. 10 naira, 9 naira, 3 naira, 5 naira. You can buy those stocks. For example, Fidelity Bank has 20 naira stock. So, for example, one stock on Fidelity Bank is actually 20 naira. So, let's do a little plus and minus. Let's say you only have 3,000 naira a month to spare for investment. Let's divide 3,000 naira by 20. 3,000 naira divided by 20. Let's divide that. 150 stocks that you can buy with 3,000 naira. 150 you can buy. So if you buy 150 every single month times 12 months, means at the end of the year you have 1,800 shares of Fidelity Bank. That is what you have, you understand. And if this actually fluctuates, you can sell this and make profit. It's very, very simple, you understand. That is how it is. So if you have only 3,000 naira and you are looking for something to invest, buying stocks or investing in the stock market is one of the best way to go. The second way to actually invest right here, you can go for apps like piggyvest. You can go for apps like OP. Now the profit that they give you here might not really be much. The percentage right here might not be much, but the higher the capital right here, the more the profit you earn. So even if you have just 3K to invest here every single month, or just 5K to put every single month, you just save your money there and they give you profit. Some of them give you up to 10% profit per annum, 15% profit per annum, 5% profit per annum. So you can choose that. Even Trove, you can lock your fund right here for 12 months. They give you up to 16% profit per annum. For 6 months, they give you up to 10% profit per annum. For 3 months, they give you up to 9% profit per annum on Trove. So you can actually check this out because it's a very, very good way to invest your small amount of money. So even if you don't have much and you feel like investing, this is one of the best ways to go. Use this particular platform right here called Optimus. What I want to talk about today is this particular method. They call it investing into mutual fund. You can see right here. Verify your account, your KYC, your ID card, your identification, all the legal documentation. You have to verify everything. You can come down here, click on wallet, and you can come here and fund your wallet. Let's click on my transaction history. Let's see some of my transaction history right here. Referral reward. You can also refer your friends and earn money. You're going to see they say subscription, refund. Now this refund right here is actually a dividends I got dividends from my mutual fund right here. They pay me 4,519 naira for my last quarter dividends. You can also invite your friends right here, and they pay you 1,000 naira for each active referral you have on this platform. I invest 4,000 naira. Even if you don't have enough, the small amount of money you put right here can amount to something. I have 106k in my mutual fund. I want to invest again, so I'm actually going to come down here and click on buy more, and I have 8,000 naira in my wallet. So I'm going to come here and put the amount, which is 8,000 naira in my wallet. So 8,000 naira will buy me 80 units. I have made up to 16,000 naira for the quarter. I can see for this quarter I've made 16,000 naira, 16,286 naira for this particular quarter. That is actually the dividends profit I actually made right here. And you can see you can decide to sell it at any time. You can change your settings. You can see auto invest. This one is when you made profit, you can actually reinvest your profit right here. So my total unit is I have up to 1,000 units, 1,000 plus. So if this 80, they add the 80 here, everything will be 1,100 and something units right here that I have. And I keep on buying more. I don't need to have enough money to buy more. I just need to put small money, 3,000, 2,500, 1,500, small money like that, and I buy more right here. So the more units you buy, the more profit you can earn at the quarter. This is what I do. For those of you that are asking me, if I have 3k, if I have 5k, how can I invest it in a safe way? I think this is one of the safest way to invest your money, and you can decide to cancel this and collect your capital back at any time you wish. So it's actually very simple. So what do you think about this investment method? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Have you been using this? Have you tried it? Just let us know in the comment section. Do have a lovely day, and bye for now.